Hello everyone, this is a short presentation of my project Tree Planting Tracker that is submitted for Hack for Humanity hackathon. So as the name suggests, I think it's obvious that this is about planting trees around the world, and then you can track them and have a leaderboard and statistics and the impact of those planted trees on the environment. Which is a positive impact, of course, for the climate change. This is the GitHub repository where the project is. It has a README with description and the problem that we're trying to solve, which is deforestation by different factors, and one of them was fires that we have had during the recently in different parts of the world, including the US, Africa, also parts in Europe and Asia. So as we were following the news, there has been a lot of fires, and then that impacted the number of trees that are around the world, which is now reducing absorption of CO2. So this is encouraging people to plant more trees, and as a community, and maybe have some prizes, have some few things that we can do about. This is implemented using mainly TypeScript, and this is the portions of the code that has been used. HTML and CSS for the front end, and a little bit of JavaScript. Here is the project overview. This is the main file. It's just a single one that contains everything basically, and this has been built using AI, specifically ChatGPT, and querying and prompting what we want to build for the application. Here is the application overview or demonstration, and it is already deployed using Vercel, and you can log in with Google. That's what I have implemented so far with Firebase, with Google authentication, but we can extend that to more social media or more ways to log in. And here is an overview. For example, I can select a specific species of the tree, and then the number of trees I want to plant, for example 5, and I'm going to point somewhere here on the map, then I can add it there, and we can see that it has been added, and total trees now is 18. Impact of absorption of CO2 per year now has been increased, which is great, and total locations from 8 to 9. And you have a leaderboard here of the most planted trees and some statistics. Of course, this is basic, but it can be improved a lot with multiple functionalities, and we can change the theme here, for instance, and then log out. So that's about it for the application, and thanks for listening.